What's up, YouTube? This is James, and I'm back with another reaction today by AB or Antonio Brown. Runnin, should I say? If you don't know who Antonio Brown is, he's a now ex-NFL quote star. Basically lost his mind. Got caught up on all types of charges. Got fired from the NFL, basically let go of all the teams. Somebody wants him, and so I guess he decided to start a rap career. This is the dude that Logan Paul came after and basically destroyed in a diss track, and AB still has not responded as far as I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. Go ahead and like the video, comment on the video, and comment and let me know what else you want me to react to, and be sure and subscribe to the channel and share my channel with your friends if you like it and all that good stuff. But right now let's get into this AB. The video is kind of cool. I mean, the way they do the little graphics and whatnot. I guess the illustration over the actual live video, but so far nothing's happening. What's this chick's name? Stephanie Azevedo? This reminds me of a DMX or Rough Riders video from back in the day, only they were actually riding cool motorcycles and doing nice tricks. Is that the cameraman in the mirror right there? Come on, guys.
I was down to my last year. They ain't even let me get off. Had me sitting like hot sauce. They ain't even let me get off.
What did he say? They had me sitting like hot sauce. They didn't let me get off. What's up with the kids right? What is going on?
Life at home, off the radar. Crying for the strings on my guitar.
The hell is he doing? He's got on some leather pants, a leather outfit for like riding his motorcycle, I guess, with a guitar in the middle of a football field. And this chick looking like she's up from outer space. What is happening? All these little kids too.
I should go bar. Mama crying cause she wanna see me play. Daddy's so scared cause he wanna see me score. That what we do though. What's the truth though? Common, I'm a new girl.
What? Comment, I'm a new girl? Is this dude retarded? Shouldn't use that word. Is he slightly slow?
Girl lie to my fucking face. She be out late on fucking dates. I be out on trying to beat the case. She sneaking out just to go on date.
Man, the best part of the video so far are the damn kids riding the bikes with the dual wheelies. It's the most talent I've seen.
Hurt me to my heart though. All I could do is call God though. I've been born to scar though.
That's a nice booty though, but it doesn't make up for anything. A little bit.
But I've been all hard though. Imagine having got your girl, I've been hungry. Take my neighbor.
Why does he have these little kids with like masks and stuff? Like there's some sort of futuristic like Lord of the Flies or something. Like what is happening?
Fell off. Think my never fell off. I think my never fell off. I think my
Man, this is hard. I don't know if I can get through this.
never fell off. Somebody give me a guitar. Somebody give me a guitar.
This dude ain't playing the guitar.
I think my never fell off. Somebody get my guitar.
I don't know how to play it.
I'm hungry. Hey.
Is this guy serious? Like, is he really think that he's good at rapping or good at doing whatever it is he's doing? Like, is this for real?
School.
I'm about to go to sleep. This beat is like just lulling me off to take a nap.
Best in Miami. What would everyone? Hi. Hi.
She probably regrets getting in this video, that's for sure.
Hey, I just need my guitar. Hey, I just need my guitar. Hey, I just need my guitar. Hey, long as I got my guitar. Hey, long as I got my guitar. Hey.
What is he gonna do with his guitar? What, as long as he has it for what? What is happening? Oh man, I don't even know. I'm about to go talk to my dog.
Guitar. Hey, and I can play with the strings. Hey, I think my neighbor fell off. Hey, 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 I think my neighbor fell off. Hey.
Why does he keep doing that? He's like, yo, look at my abs, yo. Look at my abs.
Kinda numb to the pain. Hey, kinda numb to my pain. Hey, then drop a third on my name. Hey.
Numb to the pain and drop a dirt on my name. Well, he at least said something. Too bad it's deserved dirt, man. This is... Yeah, my dog even says it's garbage.
Just give me my guitar. Hey, just give me my guitar. Hey, all I need is my guitar.
Look at this garbage.
Hey.
Look at this garbage. Say hi to the camera. They're hard. They're hard.
Hey.
Say I can't even pay attention to
Let them
this.
cry for the screams.
Can't even do a reaction to it.
My guitar.
Poison?
Hey, I'm wearing letters with good jeans. Hey, I'm a motherfucking star. Hey, all I need is my screams on my guitar. Hey, all I need is the screams on my guitar. Hey, hey, I need my guitar.
I mean, I don't even know how to react to this. Just repeating this over and over again, so long as freaking
my guitar. Hey, my guitar. Hey, all I need is my guitar. Hey, I let it cry on the screen with my guitar. Let it cry, let it cry, let it cry.
Whatever possessed me to do this, please don't ever make that happen again. Good Lord. I don't even think I would listen to his response back to Logan Paul, actually.
Hey, all I need is my guitar, made this motherfucker cry. Yeah. Hey, all I need is my guitar. Hey, hey, all I need is my guitar. Hey, hey. Let the scream just cry. Let the scream just cry. All I need is the strings on my guitar. All I need is in my guitar. Hey.
Okay, that was Antonio Brown Runnin featuring Stephanie Acevedo or something like that. That might be the worst song I've ever heard in my life. I can't believe I made it through it. The only reason I did make it through it is because I was in a reaction to it, or I would have turned it off a long time ago. Oh man, that was rough. I don't know who these people's names that are here like listed. They should probably remove their names from this video ASAP, because I would not want to be associated with this project in any way, shape, or form. That was pathetic. I feel bad for him. I'm sorry, but I mean, come on, dude. Like, I would say stick to football, but he can't do that. It's not even funny. I don't know. I mean, let me know what you thought of the song, of the reaction. Leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll never hear another Antonio Brown song ever again. But until next time, deuces.